Hey guys, it's your girl Carol coming at you with another vlog. Okay, so today's vlog is a little bit more special than usual. Hopefully I can actually do an outro for this video because I have a hard time finishing what I start. Okay, so today we are going to see a waterfall. We're going on a hike. We're getting our hiking on, I guess you could say. So let's go. So we made it. We're on the side of the road currently, but we have to walk over there. Let's walk this way. I feel safer. Yeah, we're starting our hike. We are all bug sprayed up. I don't know how much you guys can see me, but be careful. Maya, I don't want you getting it like falling into this deep hole.
You mean that little hole?
Yes, it's scary.
Oh, there's a little. I'm walking weird because my toe.
There's a little path. You
Quiet.
stretch.
I know, you need to work out.
This is a great adventure, even with you guys arguing.
We're not arguing.
And we're
just
You guys always argue.
No, we don't. We used to all the time, right?
That's us having a conversation, like a little debate.
Okay.
We weren't even arguing.
We tried to match.
Okay, we're so close to the waterfall. Oh, I can smell
You
it.
should turn around and get the front view.
Okay. Is that the waterfall?
Yes.
I've never been more disappointed in my life.
Waterfall. It just call it that 5-year-old right there.
Head home time, like 10 seconds to head.
Okay, well we got the pictures we wanted.
Maya has to put her shoes back on.
Let's just say
Carol
we've been
threw
here
them in
all
the
day,
water.
Because why
No,
not?
she's not even wearing those shoes.
We've
Calm
been here
down.
all day, you guys. It's like so tiring. I
Thumbnail,
got
guys. Get him
2,000, 5,000.
Yeah, we need a thumbnail.
steps.
Please don't make me get back in that water.
No, we're just going right here. Wait.
No, it's like
Right there.
right here.
There we go. Okay, that was good.
So guys, we just got done at Chick-fil-A. And we are going to Aldi's to pick some food up for ingredients so we can make brownies. And
FYI, it was my first time going to Chick-fil-A, and I would just like to say that everybody needs to stop, okay? Everyone's like,
okay, so we're done.
No,
because
listen,
that's not
everyone's like, oh my god, Chick-fil-A's the best place in the world, like, and it's not. It was y'all set the bar too high.
So we're going to Waldi's. We're going to Waldi's.
What was that?
We're going to Aldi's to pick up ingredients to make brownies, and then we're gonna have a bonfire tonight and make s'mores, and we're gonna cook hot dogs. So that's our plan for today. And yeah.
Well, guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you.
I actually did an outro. Okay, they have to say bye. Say bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Well, thank you guys for coming to enjoy this day with me. Make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe, do all that.
I lost my phone.
None of you will. I know you won't because you guys are all fake. Just kidding. I love you guys. Bye.